Okay, so here we have the Picote Maxi Miller. This is one of the biggest workhorses of their range. It has 30 meters of shaft, which is a 12 mil thickness. You can add an extension of 10 meters if you wanted, so get a total length of 40 meters. It comes obviously with a foot pedal, so you've got both hands now to be using and operating the machine. It goes right up to 1500 revs per minute, which is, considerably good for a handy machine like this. It cleans anything from 70 right up to 250. It also includes, you can remove concrete with this, star pickets, felled liner as well, roots, basically anything that's intruding into your pipes. This machine will be able to sort it out. It is always meant to be used laying down flat like this. Just so that obviously then we've got nice access to our pit or access point ready to go. It does weigh about 130 kilos, so we do need a bit of some good room and some space to store this guy. But great piece of equipment to have for deblocking, descaling, grinding out liner, etc., etc. Again, please feel free to come down and try that out at our Picote warehouse down here in Port Melbourne. Feel free to call us on 1-800-747-326.